You know what you came here for. Sit back and tune in for EISHATAYLORE. Yeah, yeah.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, EISHATAYLORE. So I've been seeing this Wow Dreamcoat Supernatural spray all over social media. I think it's kind of old at this point, but it's now I'm kind of like in the whole straightening my hair life. So I want to give this a try. I got the small one. It was like $12. I'll leave it down below if it ends up being worth it. The link will be down below. So it'll be this versus the products that my stylist uses, and I paid attention to what she was using and I bought it. So I have the Mizani 25 Miracle Milk leave-in. It's a leave-in heat protectant in one, and then the serum that I'm using is the one from my hair salon. So I already shampooed my hair 3 times, one with a clarifying shampoo, twice with a moisturizing shampoo, conditioned and then deep conditioned. If you want to know the products that I use and the routine that I did, like washing my hair with cool water, etc., step by step, then check out my silk press video. I go in depth crazy over there, so check that out. So this happens to be a leave-in conditioner and a heat protectant all in one, so that's actually a plus here. Did I even show y'all? I am so freaking rude. I have not been recording in quite some time. Kind of massage that in, and I'm gonna put some of the serum. Again, you can use whatever serum you like. This just happens to be from my hair salon. All right, y'all. I'm freaking nervous. This is gonna be the only product we use. This is apparently a heat protectant and everything. So it says, towel dry hair, divide into sections, spray each section liberally. And liberally is bolded, child. Comb through, blow dry each section using tension. And to use this product, you have to blow dry your hair. Like, that's what it says. So, damp either. So liberally. Because my comb isn't clean, just gonna use my pick. It just has such a fine mist that I don't even feel like it's going on my hair. I think that's the problem. Now the products that my salon uses on my hair, I haven't personally used them like home before, so that's also gonna be new to me. I just bought her serum the second time I got my hair done by her because I realized my silk press is lasting super long. This side, the salon product side, is what I'm just gonna call it, kind of feels better than this side. Like, they're both blow drying really bomb, but this one has like a nice shine to it. You probably couldn't even tell on camera, it looks better in person. But when I blew dry this one, I was like, hold up. Y'all see how this side has more shine than this side? Just offer it. It just looks different. And it feels different. I ain't gonna lie. This side's already starting to puff up. Child, don't make me get pissed off. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. There's a clear difference, but it's okay. This is just a blow dry stage. This side is definitely looking like, and it's dry too. I'm about to take these gloves off to really see. This side already wants to like puff up, and I'm not here for it. Because this side wants to act the fool, I think I'm gonna do that side first. I'm gonna flat iron that side. I don't think I provided y'all with this tip in the other video. If I didn't, my bad. So make sure before you are flat ironing your hair that you clean your flat iron. Now what does that mean? You're gonna grab like an alcohol pad or wipe or whatever on a paper towel and clean the blades to remove any excess oils and stuff like that, because you don't want that on your hair, and that also causes heat damage. So I'm actually using my Cheese ceramic flat iron today. I don't know. I'm just gonna continue, obviously, and then we'll see. I think the deciding factor will also be the longevity of the silk press, and that's obviously what I'm going to be testing in this video too. So I'll be letting y'all know how long it lasts for. With my other routine, with my Mizani products, I got that silk press to last, I think it was 3 weeks, 3-4 weeks. I could have gotten 4 weeks, but my scalp was starting to get itchy. And I wanted my curls back, but I got like 3+ weeks out of it. So I'm gonna see how this does. And I don't think I said this, but I'm only doing 1 pass. Silk press, this is only 1 pass. All right, so I took off my other glove because I need to feel my hair. And my hair feels dry. Like on this side, like I'm not even gonna lie. It feels hella dry. And I know my hair is not supposed to feel moisturized because it's a silk press, but when I did my Mizani products, like my hair at least has some life to it. Like this feels super dry and almost like it's searching for moisture, which means it might search for moisture in the air. I got 12 minutes to my birthday and I'm about to be pissed off. But this is the salon side. And y'all, can you already see a difference? This side already wants to freaking revert back. It doesn't feel, it's feeling dry. While this side has a shine, it's feeling more luscious and silky. I realized when I had told y'all what products I was using and I said that I'm using products from my salon that I go to. I'm not entirely sure if her products can be bought online. So I will check and see if you can. If not, then it really doesn't make sense to even mention what the product is. I wasn't trying to gatekeep and not tell y'all what products I'm using. It's more so that I'm not sure if she sells them online to be accessible. You know what I'm saying? So this gotta be a joke. This side looks bomb. You can see the shine, you can see the movement. I mean, they both move, but this one is lacking shine. Like, look, you can clearly see the difference. All right, I'm going to continue doing what my stylist does. Is she uses a little bit of the serum and puts it on the hair and then blow dries it down. Let me make sure this is straight down the middle because none of this wow is getting any of it. And she blow dries it down to kind of like seal in the silkiness. So that's what I'm about to do real quick. I'm going to use this Revert Ghost Oil. I have a small one I got from Sephora. And I'm using this because I took a look at the ingredients compared to serum from my hair salon against the herb oil. And they actually have the same couple ingredients. The first 3, they have the same of. This one, the salon has macadamia oil, shea oil, and argan oil, while this one has argan oil and rice bran oil. So I figured that's more similar. The Chi Silk Infusion didn't have any oils, even though the first 2 ingredients was comparable to the one from the hair salon. And the John Frieda one actually recommends to use on soaking wet hair, but these ingredients also is not the same. So let's go ahead and use this Ghost Oil because my hair needs to match, child. I'm just gonna use a little bit. I've never used this before, so this will be the first time using it, but I figured since the instructions, they kind of smell similar. Since the instructions say for the Wow to use whatever products you normally would after, that's what we're gonna do. It's feeling a little better, but this side feels better. At least it's matching a little bit more. Cause child, I was like, what in the hell? Okay, so we're a test. We're going to see which one ends up being better. And it's been 6 days since I did my silk press. Again, this is the Wow side, and then this is the salon, you know, technique side. So don't mind how my hair looks. Honestly, we played badminton yesterday and I sweated out my hair a little bit. However, and last night I kind of like slept on it weird. But needless to say, they both feel and look the same, right? They're both very light and bouncy for it being, you know, 6 days since having a silk press and sweating it out a couple times, just like playing games, racing, stuff like that. It's pretty good. I will say though, like just a smidget, I like the salon side a little bit better. This side I can tell wants to just like revert back a little bit, but it's not like the end of the world, but I do kind of see that difference. I'll continue to see how long the silk press lasts in general, but for the purpose of this review, I definitely think the salon products was better than the Wow in my opinion. I don't think it's completely necessary to go out and buy the Wow when you can get pretty much similar results. I am popping in to let you know that the silk press is going on 3 weeks. I will be washing my hair tomorrow though, just because my scalp is getting dry, but I still really like the salon side. The Wow is okay. It's not necessary to have in my opinion. I don't think that I will use the product again, so that's that. I've since washed my hair with the salon version in the Wow side. As you can see, ignore the front. The front is not heat damage, it's hormonal damage. I can get into that in a different video if you want. This is the Wow side. I can literally feel a huge difference. You can see that my roots over here are more puffy, meaning like it reverted back. This side, I can still feel that coating of the Wow on it. And it did say that it will remove in either 2 to 3 or 3 to 4 washes. So that's that. I did shampoo with the clarifying shampoo, my Adwa Beauty, 3 times, and I still feel this coating on my hair. So just keep that in mind when you use the Wow product, that it's not going to wash out immediately when you wash your hair. So that's something I don't like. I want my curls right back. You know what I'm saying? So like I already said, I probably won't be using the Wow ever again. It's just not what I need at this moment. So yeah, so that officially concludes this video. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.